Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka MLA jong ka Sutnga Saipung ka kong Santa Maria Shylla kalapatha ikinong tray ka NH6 ban maramat marmar ba tela kami gibenta ba syong ka Surok ba NH6 ka mapinyaso ki Jilla Meghalaya sa Mizoram Tripura ba gibenta ka Jilla Assam ba Manipur ka kong Santa Maria Shylla kalapatha ikinong tray ka NH6 ha ka jingle jurab ya ka NH6 na lomsnong sa Malidor ringkat ba kinong tray ka DC office ba nong tray ka NH6 Kamali kan thay baning kong Sutnga Saipung constituency kalapan pao ka Jingsniew ya ka Jingsniew ka Surok bat ka badap tang nakithliw kisar hagi babuan mentajong ka Surok Shwa kaniya ka kong Shylla lalit jurab iki artri ki PHC kalums nang bat kyang PHC kalaya kran bikinong tray kumju kinong monsyem dawai ban Sngewkhia ka Jingsniew jongki Shibon ki Jingsniew bikinong tray kalapan Sngewkhia ka MLA bat kalakular pan yakran bat ka sarkar Shylla
Kami duduk comprar duduk betul ada umumnya hak comprar tak comprar nak dia. So now for installation of this machine and all they have to break it down all over again.
Why the same has not been communicated to us?
Actually
Initially for the load upgradation, right?
And all and that day actually he didn't stay also that day. He left that day for Shillong.
What was told to me on Friday, last Friday was that it will hardly take 4 days for the entire installation and maintenance operation. Right, but Thursday is already passed. People are started okay. Installation of it was given to them.
Yang galak kalau letak kami fungsi untuk man free saya letak pelak kian nulis dalam musik atau yo jauh dia.
Ini juga ada setang ni kan.
Pentel, kalau ni di Sngewkhia,
Setang